I'm going to show you how you can easily log in with Google cookies. First, navigate to Google Chrome on your device. Now search for the Steam website in the search bar. Then click on the first website to reach the Steam website. Make sure to log in to sign up to your account. After that, press the F12 key on your keyboard. In the Application tab, you will see the Cookies option on the left side. Next, open the Idolmaster extended application on your computer. In this application, click on Sign in to enter the cookie. Later, click on the cookies and copy the code of session ID. Now paste the code into the Idolmaster extended application. Then copy the Steam login secure code and paste it into the next box. After that, click on Update and you will easily log in with Google cookies.